Welcome to wallcurtains.com. Today, we're going to show you how to stencil an accent wall like a pro. Transform any room with a stunning wallpaper pattern using wall stencils. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a gorgeous accent wall using stencils. It's easier than you think, and the results are amazing. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your materials. First, gather all your materials. You'll need stencils, painter's tape, a level, a stencil brush or roller, paint tray, paper towels, and a drop cloth. Step 2. Prepare the wall. Prepare your wall by laying down a drop cloth and cleaning the surface to remove any dust or dirt. This will ensure your paint adheres properly. Step 3. Position the stencil. Next, place the stencil on the wall, ensuring it's straight, and secure it with painter's tape. Begin in the middle of the wall and expand outward for a symmetrical appearance. Step 4. Load your brush or roller. Load your stencil brush or roller with paint. Make sure to dab off any excess paint on a paper towel to avoid bleeding under the stencil. Step 5. Apply the paint. Gently apply the paint over the stencil using a light, dabbing motion if you're using a brush or a light rolling motion if you're using a roller. Avoid pressing too hard to prevent paint from seeping under the stencil. Step 6. Remove the stencil and repeat. Carefully remove the stencil to reveal your pattern. Let the paint dry for a few minutes before repositioning the stencil for the next section. Continue this process until your entire wall is covered. Step 7. Touch up any mistakes. If there are any areas where the paint has bled or the pattern is uneven, use a small brush to touch up and refine your design. And there you have it. A beautifully stenciled accent wall that adds style and personality to your room. With a little patience and practice, you can create a professional-looking wallpaper pattern using wall stencils. For more DIY tips and home decorating ideas, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the notification bell to stay updated.